what's up guys? Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share. Thank you.
Support this video, guys. So, mag-klase na sad mi or mag-leksyon na sad mi ni Inday about how to read and how to spelling. Let's go. What's up, guys?
Let's go.
Okay, for this video, guys, I challenge Inday how to read.
May tako ba sa hulong dire?
Kasi, this one, Inday reading this one.
Mga ako yung mo pili sa ako.
So, I write over here. Akong isulat number 1. Number 2. Lugar na. Lugar na. Tapunan. Tapunan ng mga basura. R na. Number 3.
Mga basura. Na tapunan ng mga basura. Saan ni Mama N? Nig ang kapitan ng barang ay sa gusto ng mga nasasakupan kahit sa mga
Okay. Okay. Inday, are you ready?
Kani Mama.
Okay, later. Later. Magkuhan sa ta. Magkuhan sa lagi. Diyan ka.
Di kani i-insert guys.
It's very hot. No air.
It's a very hot guys. It's a very hot. It's so very hot the sun.
I the sun.
That's ibaw.
Ay.
What did you ibaw? Ang nagdala anak sa in. Ang nagdala anak sa ang nag okay sun. Unsa man na
Ako ni bukuan sa ato. It's very, very hot.
Kura.
Ito patas ba ito?
Layo-layo na kayo ko, guys.
Okay. So now, Inday, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you ready, Swan?
Sa.
Louder, the voice louder. I challenge Inday how to read.
Sa.
This is Filipino. Tagalog. See?
Sa.
Dito ka dapit lang, Ging. Dito ka dapit lang. Pag kita. Sibuk-sibuk pang, Ging.
Na.
Oh, diha. Yeah.
Sa. Ku. Mu. Ni. Dad. Ay.
Okay, louder.
Walang. Nakatalag.
Nakatalagang.
Nakatalagang.
Number 2. Okay.
Basurahan na ano.
Sige. Okay.
Lugar na
Anak lang, lugar. Ay, okay, lugar.
lugar ta
Ay, ta. Dapat ganyan.
lugar na tapunan ng mga
Tapunanan. Labayanan. Lugar. Kanang, lugar ba? Lugar na labayanan.
ng mga basura.
Oh, itong i-translate. Lugar, dakit na labayanan og mga basura. Oh. Sige, number 3. Sige. Okay.
Nakikinig
Okay, louder.
ang
Sige. Ano? Sige.
ang kapitan ng bara
Sige.
ba
Sige.
barang barangay
Oh, barangay. Very good.
barangay sa
Sige.
gusto ng mga nasasakupan kahit sa mga taong
Taong.
taong hin
Sige.
di
Sige.
bumutos sa ka niya.
Okay. Inday is done. So now let erase and then the another one again. Okay, erase. Another one na punta. Okay, erase.
Kuya, kayo po mo iris, guys. Punto ko yung pili. Pero, nasa deep pa yung katibawa na.
Okay na, ko i-cancel na. Okay. Na ako isulat niya. Pabasa rin ako sa inyo. Sige. Okay. Let's shoot ko. Ano? Enough. Ako. Now, I challenge Inday to read again.
English.
Diin mo lang buka diha.
Challenge. Ayaw ko. Ayaw ko. Sampai paabot kitang mama. Ayaw ko sana. Na ika'y mawawala. Sino? Joke na bitaw. Ayaw ko sana na ika'y mawawala. Mawawa sa kalamat ang aking mundo. Ngunit anong magagawa? Talagang ayaw ko na. Sino ba mamahal ko para bigyan ka? Lumayo ka man ay iiwan ang bakas aking pamamahala. Awitin ko ay alaala na hindi di ka malilimutan pagkat ikaw ang laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay. Ang halik mo, nami-miss ko ang halik mo, nami-miss ko pagkat iniwan mo ako. Nung ako ay bata pa, nang iwan ako ng aking ama, matay lumuluhan na. Di kaya ni nanay na iwan ka sa akin ay
Okay.
Nakay blue, sky blue, nakay brown,
Okay.
nakay brown.
Okay, are you ready, Palanggingging?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Mama, what is ni brown imo? Brown.
Wait a minute.
What ay brown, ma? Ito pala. Na? Na kay red, ma. Ngawa mo kay red.
Okay, guys.
Yellow. Mama,
Okay.
nalitan mo black.
Now,
Sa
okay, let's read now with Inday. So I challenge Inday how to read about the colors. Okay, are you ready? Okay, read this one.
green,
Green. For this one,
blue,
blue. This one,
sky blue,
sky blue. This one,
violet,
for this one,
purple. White,
white. Very good. What this one?
orange,
Very good. How about this one?
green,
Very good. How about this one?
yellow, green,
Okay, good job. How about
pink,
this one?
yellow,
This one.
red,
This one.
black, brown,
This one.
brown,
Kani?
black, brown.
Okay, very good. So,
Black,
Inday, I see she know how to read. But I don't know if she know how to spelling. I try how to spelling. I challenge to how to write, how to spelling the color. This one, she know how to read, but I tried. I show it. I show you if she know already, if she know, or just she know how to read, but she don't know how to write. I try in that. Let's
Let's
go.
go.
Ha?
Sa imong sagot.
Atong i-challenge si Inday, kabalo ka mo ba sa bat atong ng taon o kabaw ba ka musuwat? Oh. Some kid, she know how to read. She know how to kuan, but she don't know how to write. Oh. I challenge her how to write. Not just she know how to read, and then very important how to read. She know how to read and how to write. I try Inday if she know. Very nice the kids if she know how to write and she know how to read. Okay, are you ready? Okay. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9. Okay? Okay? Oh. Number 1, blue. Blue. I see if she know. If she don't know how to write, I have to learn more how practice how to write and how to spelling. Okay, go. Blue. Blue. If she know how to write, no. Let's see if she know how to write.
Mama. Huh?
No, say she know how to write, but she don't know how to write. I challenge here, and then if she don't know yet how to write, so I challenge her to practice how to write and how to spelling. Okay, blow. What words you use
Blue.
of word blue? Blow.
Blue.
Blow. Blow.
Blue. Blue. Blue.
Unsa man ang mga
Blow.
words ang imong ibutan diha para mahimo siyang blow? Blow.
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 Blue.
Unsa may mga words na
Blow.
sunod nimo sa B?
Blue. Blue. Blue.
No, she
Blow.
don't know how to write. She know how to read, but she don't know how to write. What's that? Are you kidding me?
Blue. Una.
Taro nga.
Ba.
Blow.
Ba.
Blow.
Black.
Unsa man ang mga words ang imong isuwat dito? Unsa man ang mga words
Ba.
nga
Ba.
nakabutang dito?
Blue.
Oh, unsa may sunod sa B? Unsa may sunod sa B na words na blow, blow,
Blue.
blow.
Black.
Sige.
Black. Ba.
Sige, unsa man imong mind?
Blue.
Okay, kung dili ka kamao, more practice na pud ka para sige.
Blue.
Sige.
Blue.
I have to
Blue. Blue.
practice here to how to write, how to read. Not just you know how to read, but you don't know how to write and you don't know how to spelling. Dapat she know all. Write very good and write properly. Not ikis-ikis pura sa bitin. Naikais-laikis Sige. Blow, 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 blow. Ha? Mami, nagas mami. Blow, blow, blow. Sige, go. Go. Blow. Unsa may pinakalas sa blue? Unsa may word sa blue na pinakalas? Blow.
Blue.
Okay, thinking first. Unsa na mga words ang gamiton para mahimo siyang blue. No. Isa na lang ka words para ma-perfect nimo siya. Unsa na words ang gamiton para mahimo siyang blue. Unsa man na mga words imong mahimo. Unsa man na letters ang imong gamiton para mahimo siyang blue. O kana blue na siya, pero may one words pang kulang para mahimo siyang blue. Color blue. Yun unsa man.
Blue.
Sige.
Blue.
Sige. Blue.
Blue. Blue.
Go dugay ta na. Dugay kita mo mandor. Ayan ka. Sige, una-una og tarong kung sa na words na imong ipuno para mahimo gid siyang makumpleto siyang color blue na siya. Blue na siya. Sige. Blue. Di kato imong gisud blue, blue. Naman po yung blue na huyop na blue. Di maningan na spelling ka na color blue. Maningan mo na spelling sa color blue. Blue. Di, sige. About the color man taan ni I challenge you how to read, how to write, good spelling, about the color. Sige, unsa may words na ibutang diha, last one para mahimo na siya complete blue. Jaman. Letter
Y.
alam mo sa imo. Okay, proceed test number 2. You think first this one kasi hinumduman nimo na if you remember later you kuan diha ang kuan. Okay, number 2. It's color black.
Black.
Yeah, black. Okay. Number 2, black. Okay, black. Black. Number 2, black. Malukha ka? Black. 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 Black.
Black.
Okay. Finally, she know how to write and how to spelling the black. Okay, very good. Blue, she don't know, but I will let her to thinking first. Maybe later she remember and then she completes this blue. Nasaan ka? Asa ka? Eh, na, kaya mamata silang garon. This one, I challenge Inday. Not just know, it's not just she know how to read, and he know to, dapat she know how to write, she know how to read, and she know how to spelling. Yeah, that's very important for here. So, sige, come. Come on. Okay, number 3, yellow. This about we spelling about of yellow, reading and how to spelling the about of color. Okay, see, very good. She know how to spelling and write yellow. Okay, number 5, color green. Git. Oh, turn mama. Look at my mouth. Green. Green. What word you put it and then you complete the color green. Green. O sa mga words ang imong ibutang diha para ma-complete nimo ang color green.
R.
Yes, very good.
Double A.
Okay, good job.
Green.
Green.
And
Okay, you say? No, very good. Good job. Number 5.
green.
It's color. Yellow, green. Yellow, green.
Hi, dalaw.
I-thinking ha? You thinking this one para makumpleto na nimo diha. O unsa na siya na word yung imo i-complete diha para mahimo siyang blue. Okay. Yellow, green. Yellow, green. Let me see if she knows. Okay. Small letter, not capital letter. Very sorry of my English ka. My English is very English. My English is English Karabaw. Oh. But I try myself to teach Inday how to write and read. Never mind about the wrong grammar and wrong one. Basta in English kinarabaw ni. But I try Inday to teach her how to write and how to read. I'm not smart. I'm not a real teacher, but I I try my best to teach her. I try my best to teach her how to read, how to write, how to count, like this, like this. Okay. Say, very good. Good job. So, number 6, violet. Violet. What word you use? Step by step, you complete the violet. Okay, what words you put?
Violet.
Violet. Violet. Okay, this one. Hmm? Oh, okay, small lang po, small man. The beginning is the kuan, capital letter, and then the kuan, small letter na siya. Okay, let me see if she know. Okay, good job, very good. Okay, good job. So, number 7 is color red. Good job. Red. Color red. Red. Oh, ay, pag-watch ako. You just listen to me what I told you what you write. Red. Okay, color red. Red. Sige. Color red. See? You know what I want for Inday? I challenge her how to read and how to write. And then, how to spelling.
Ma.
Okay, very good. Okay, number 8 is sky blue. Sky blue. Or brown. You know brown? How to write brown? Brown. Brown.
Brown.
Or white. Oh, sige, anything. I-write diha. Or purple baka ha? Purple. Okay. Sige na. Sige, mamatas lang ga.
Sky blue.
Oh, sige, sky blue. Number 8 is sky blue. Paminawas, mami. Unsa na words ang naguna? Is niya.
Kai.
Oh, kai.
Kai.
Oh, is sky. Okay. Isuwat ang sky daw, be. Is sky. Is niya. Sky. Sky.
Sky.
Oh, very good. Sky. Nya, isumpay ang blue para mahimo siyang sky blue. Sky blue. Kani one words na lang gyud diha para mahimo siyang blue. You thinking first? Okay, give you chance. You thinking first the sky blue and blue. You proceed of number 9.
Kani.
Sige. Sige, go. Sky. O di na lagi. Small lang na siya. Small letter lang na siya. Sige. Okay, one words na lang yun para ma-complete yun ni mo siya na sky blue. See, only one word si complete or almost si complete na. Thinking, I give you chance to thinking. What words? Sky blue. Sky blue. Sky blue.
Sky blue.
Like apple. Blue. Apple. Singular. Nga na ba? Ang mga katapusan sa pineapple. Muna ang katapusan sa apple o ang katapusan sa single, katapusan sa blue, maura ang pinakalas niya. Unsa may pinakalas sa apple. Mauni dire imong isumpay. Para ma-complete nimo ang blue. Sky blue. Unsa may spelling sa apple? Ang pinaka-last word sa apple.
Sa apple?
Pinaka-last word sa apple mo imong ibutang diha para makumpleto siyang
Igon?
sky blue. Unsa ma?
Igon?
Unsa may pinaka-last sa apple sa apple? Unsa may words na pinaka-last sa apple? Letter?
Igon?
Eagle, very good. Oh. Complete. Oh. I give her chance because sige. One word only. I give her chance. Okay? Number 9, pink.
Ha?
Pink. Number 9, color pink.
Pink.
Very difficult for her, the blue and blue. Sky already, she know how to look at the sky, but the blue is very difficult for her. Pink. Tara nga. Okay, good job. So, okay, we. Atong suwatan diri og number 9, number 10. 11. Okay? Color brown. Brown? Brown. Ano mga words na gigamit sa color brown? Brown. Sige, go. Number 18 is brown. Brown.
Brown.
Brown.
Brown.
Ang purple, purple. Ang yahang ang purple kay ang nagkuan pud ana pinakalas pud niya na kay like apple, like single, like
Kibaw ko, L.
Oh, mo na yung mga last words sa.
L, unya.
Oh, be, purple de. Write your purple. Unsa man ang mga words ang gigamit sa purple? Purple. Purple. Unsa man ang words na gigamit diha? Next words. Purple. 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 Sige. Purple. Purple.
Purple.
Unsa man na words ang magsunod? Purple. 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 Pa, pi, pi, pa, pa. Purple. Or purple. O, purple. Purple. Yan, tarungan na. Okay, purple. Okay. Ready, 1, 2, 3, go. Faster. Purple. Po. Purple. Purple. Unsa man ang mga words ang gigamit? Letter. I don't know. U or O? Unsa man imong nakita sa akong gitudlo nimo before?
Iyo.
U, very good. Letter U.
Tarungan sa kulay ako.
Sige. Give her chance because she didn't know. Okay? Listen to mommy and look at my mouth. Por. Unsa may words, next words?
R.
Yes, very good. Oh, nya. Tarong nga. Like, look like at in. R.
Imo sa gani.
Your R look like in. You write properly. Okay. You listen to me. Listen to mommy, okay? Sit down. Okay, pour na. Karon. Listen. Purple. Like apple. Apple. Purple. Oh, so mo na diha.
L.
I don't know. Purple. Ha? Purple. Like apple. Ha? Lantawa, ang last sa purple og apple, paminawa. Ug unsay lasa? Di ba kabaw ka mo sa spelling sa apple? Oh. Purple.
Ang nakalahi.
Apple. Oh, apple. Apple. Purple. Oh, unsa may sunod diha? Apple. Purple. Oh, unsa man ang mga words na imong isunod diha para mahimo siyang purple.
Kani?
Kabaw ka mo sa tukuan? Kabaw ka mo sa tug apple, di ba? Unsa may
Apple?
paminawa ko. Apple. Oh,
Purple.
unsa man ang words na diha?
Apple?
Lantawa sa mami, paminawa sa akong baba. Look at me and you listen to me. How I pronounce, how I Oh, unsa may na words imong nadungog sa akong baba? What words you heard from my mouth? Apple, purple. Okay, unsa man na words? Be. Number 1. Listen. As diri ta sa apple. Apple.
L.
First words timan eh.
A.
No. Listen first. Unsa na words?
Pa.
Letter? Unsa man na letter ang pa? P. Letter P. Nya, ang next.
L.
Oh, L. Next. Nya, unsa may pinakalas ana para mahimo siyang purple or apple? Unsa may pinakalas? Oh, letter
Eagle.
A. Good, very good. Oh, you're right. You got it. You're right. Purple. Paminaw sa ako. Ay ha ni mo isulat. Ingon ka na ilit apple day na. Apple day na. Listen. Ako kang gingnan. Look at my mouth and listen how I pronounce and listen how I pronounce. Listen and look at my mouth. What words you heard first?
P.
P.
L.
Or L. What words the last one to complete become purple? First, unsa to?
Name ko nila.
Pel. Pel. Unsa man ang pel. Oh, unsa man na words ang nag-una ug ang nagsunod? Pel.
Pel.
Oh, unsa man? Pel. Apple.
A.
Unsa may pinakalas sa apple? Sige. B, isuot diha. Paminaw wala. Nang laminaw ka sa ako, wala. If you want to know, listen and look at mommy, look at my mouth. You listen how I pronounce. Pull.
Pull.
Oh, first word. You listen. Unsa man na words?
P.
P, very good. So,
L.
nya.
Eagle.
Next word.
Eagle.
Letter.
Apple.
Unsa na? Unsa na letter ang sunod sa P?
Ang sunod sa P.
Unsa man?
Pull.
Unsa man na letter?
Po.
Letter?
Pull.
Letter?
Po.
Paminaw sa. Unsa na litera?
Pa. P.
P.
L.
L. Muna siya. Letra look like a apple, blue, ang kinakalasan. Mahimo siya diri. Purple. Pul na lang may kulang ani. Kani pul na lang kulang ani. Na naman ay pur. Pul. 3 words na lang ang kulang ani diri. 3 words. Okay, 3 words na lang ang kulang. Sige, try your best.
Pull.
Apple. Oh, natawa na oh. Apple.
Na?
Oh. Purple. Oh, namo na siya. Sige, try your best. Sige. Unsa may una? Letter? Sige.
P.
Very good, P. Sige. Okay, next.
L.
L, very good. And then the next one, dili lagi, dili. Letter, use small letter, not capital letter. The beginning, the capital letter niya. Next, what is the next one? Ha?
Apple.
Sigurado ka.
Eagle.
Very good. Okay, very hard for you, the purple and the blue. Very hard for hindi the purple and blue. I don't know about the not kuan ang brown. I don't know if she know the brown. 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 Sige daw. Sige daw. Try daw ang brown. Color brown.
Brown.
Brown and white ug orange na lang ta karon. lang. Sige, brown. Sige, try your best how to write brown. Bra, 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 bra,
R?
bra, brown.
Bra?
Oh, sakto na niya. Unsa man na words ang isunod para may mo brown. Use the brown. Brown.
Isa.
Ano may sunod? Brown. Brown.
U.
Brown.
U.
Okay, brown.
U.
Okay. Oh, nya.
Ha?
Brown. Brown.
Brown.
Ano ba na? Ano may masunod diha?
Brown.
Words na lang. Okay.
Moon.
Brown.
Moon.
Wow, wow, wee, wow, wow. Mga ano ba? Brown. Brown.
Brown.
Brown. Hindi, ano man na words?
What?
Oh, nasa wa, wee, wee, woo, woo. Wow, 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 wow.
Brown.
Brown. Sige, I give
We?
you. Ha?
We?
Unsa man ang litrang we? Unsa man ang litrahan ng we? Yes, we, but unsa na letters ang we? Letter? We? Letter igol? We. Wow, we, woo, woo. Unsa man na litra ng we?
Wow.
Letter? I give you a chance. I know because this it's hard for you. Brown. W-N. Give her a chance. Because it's very hard for her. Next time, okay? Remember what's the how to spelling and how to write. Okay? W-N. Brown. Okay? Remember, Jud, ha? N. Okay. Number 12. Right, number 12. Kabalo ka, you know? Orange. Orange. Kung katok ingon si mga orange. Orange. Okay, orange. Color orange. Sige. Number 12. Orange. Orange.
Unya.
Orange. 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 Orange.
Orang.
Tarong nga na. Tarong nga na. Pero mga kuan. Tarong nga dahil.
Orang.
Oh, sige. Orange. Okay, orange. Orange. Orange.
O.
Orange. 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 Orange.
O.
Orange. Orange. Taro nga imong R. Kaya murag in. Sige. Okay. Orange.
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 Igol.
Orange. Sa Bisaya, orange. Rang. Rangge. Unsa mga words na muna siya spelling sa orange. Sige, unsa na words? Unsa na words? Take note, ha? Dili pa ka kay kabalo sa sky blue og sa brown. Di ka kabalo og sa purple. Take note anak nila, ha? More practice, ha, para next time perfect na. Okay, next orange. Orange. Dagi go anak mga anak. Sige, muna spelling sa orange.
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 Rang. Rangge. Masa man ulit sa ibutang. Rang. Masa man rang, ring, rong, rang. Mana ba? Mga ring, rang, rong, rang, ling, long, lang. Patay. Paminawa si mama. Look at my mouth. Ora naman na, no? Ora. Paminawa mama. Orang. Orang. Like lam, ling, long, rang. Muna. Okay. Orang. Orange. Di kamao dili kay ako kang tudluan. Oh. O R E ay apple N G nagot. O nya eagle. E na eagle. Okay, take note ha. Di ka kamao ana. Be. Dire ka musuot ang number 13. Okay, white. Unsa to gamiton sa white palangga? Letter. Unsa may nag-una sa white sa unsa may letter first na nag-una sa letter white? W. Unsa may next? Okay. Look, very good lagi. Nya white. Oh, unsa man la very good lagi ka lang. Oh, nya unsa sunod? White. Hala, very good. One words na lang para mahimong white. White. Kung sa Bisaya pa, whitey. Kung sa Bisaya, whitey. White. White, but one word only to become complete the white. Oh, what word? Ay, very good! Good job! Oh, sino? Spelling the white. So, very good. Good job. So now, okay, I check. Oh, more practice ini ha. More practice. More practice ka ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5. Oh, daghan ang imong check. Ang imong check ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, 5. Okay. 5, 8 check and the 5 is wrong. More practice the 5 ha. Okay. So now let's read again. Read how to read. Reading in the book. Asa man tong kuan? Okay, you read ha. I let you to read.
Tagalog.
This is English and Tagalog.
Paano ko? Iris. Iris mo ni ma? Iris.
Alek na ra. Kini. Mubo ra. I let her Inday read this one. This only. You see? This one only. This one. Okay, come Inday. You reading Inday. Okay, leave it na. Anya na. Read sa kay simulan sa mong mata. Okay. Only this one ha. You read only this one. You say that? It's okay. Okay. Sit down here. Sit down, Plangga. Okay. Sit and you read it. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sige. Oh, sige. Tarong agsuban.
Para sa unang
Sige. Sige. Oh.
Aralin.
Sige.
Ganito'y aralin akong hiling.
Oo, mo. Okay, eskwela man, aralin. Sige.
Aralin sa unit.
Oh, unit no. Sige.
Unit.
Apa unit? Sige. Okay.
Unit
Unit. Sige.
ng ito
Oh, hunong kay naay
tuglo.
Okay, padayon. Okay.
Pag aaralan na
Yura. Wala na yung. Lahi na.
Yung.
Kung nagtapot na sila, yung.
Yung.
Pero wala nagtapot, yura na. Oh.
Nang. Kum.
Mm. Kung
Komunidad upang
nan. Kaya na may
nan
Ni. Natadli.
ang
Nga na siya, hindi. Panganga. Sige.
panganga
Nawag na iyo. Panganga. Ilangan. Pangangailangan. Pangangailangan. Oh, sige.
ng
Sige. Sige.
mga
Sige.
kasapi sa kumut
Ha? Walay ti, ha? Again. Walay ti. Sige. Sige.
Dad
Hunong kay?
naituglo
Tala. Tala. Sige.
pag aralan
Kini.
natin
Okay, very good. So, very good, Inday. So, English. How about English? Dere. Try tas English. Okay, again.
sumna
English. Unsa to? Unsa gina?
cup
I try Inday to read this one. This one. Sige. Yeah.
cup wig
Okay. Like apple. Muna siya. Ang paglitok sa apple sa katapusan.
wig
Sige. Apple. Kana kay wiggle.
wiggle
Okay, riddle. Chop.
chop
Sige. Sukus ga. Silk kana.
rug
Rub. Very good kana.
ticket
Take it. Very good. Sige. Cake.
ay
Oh, ani mo. Cake. Cake. Sige.
cake
Oh. Ngay. Nga. Low.
low
Kana.
Low.
Ana mo na diha. Sa man ni? Imo man lang isulat dito ganiha.
brown
Brown. Very good. So how about this one?
so
Oh,
Ay.
soft. Oh, sakto. Nya kana. Diretso.
hard
Hard. Very good.
hard so
Okay.
hard so
Kana unsa man na?
boy
Boy. Kana unsa man na?
toy
Toy. Wala may is toy lang na siya.
toy
Okay, very good. Good job. So, now, thank you for watching. Thank you na sila ha.
I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe and channel like and share. Thank you.
So, bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. And God bless. Love you all. Mwah.